This video shows you how to clean the ADF roller kit of your printer. Clean the ADF roller kit regularly to prevent streaks in your scanned copies and to avoid paper jams. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Open the ADF top cover. Remove the separator roller. Apply water to a soft, lint-free cloth. Wipe the roller. Insert the roller. Open the ADF inner cover. Remove the roller clip. Remove the feed rollers. Wipe the rollers. Insert the feed rollers. Insert the roller clip. Close the ADF inner cover, and then close the top cover. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.